Everyone, I'm Kelly and I am a solution consultant with Echolocity. And today I wanted to share with you how to leverage Smartsheet's group management feature to manage permissions within your Smartsheet solution. So this in particular is a setting that you are able to, or a feature that you're able to take advantage of if you are a system admin on your Smartsheet account. So this is for those of you that maybe are the system administrator for your overall Smartsheet use at your organization, or perhaps you're the champion of a specific solution within your organization, like a project management office or something along those lines. But you do need to be a system admin in Smartsheet to access this feature. And if you're not, it's still helpful because you can then request this feature from the system admin. So you'll know if you're a system admin because if you're on your Smartsheet home screen or your browse screen or really whatever screen you're on, and you click on the little person in the bottom left-hand corner, it shows you admin center, plan and billing info, user management, group management. That means you have access to those things, so you're likely a system admin. So if you click on admin center, it will take you to the admin center homepage. And from here, there's a whole separate menu in here. You can get to users and groups and group management. So user management, of course, is the, adding new users to your account, assigning a license or a member status, depending on what licensing structure you have with Smartsheet. Setting up free users if you're on legacy, or setting up guests if you're on the new user subscription model. I'm not going to get into that today. I just want to talk about group management. So what group management is, it's where you can create groups of users to make it easier for you to share access to those groups of users to assets within your Smartsheet environment. So a couple of examples are, if I was we work at a small company, right? We're a small consulting organization and we have a group that has Echo team. So this is everybody on our team in this group. So we have some core workspaces that we all need access to. And rather than needing to, every time a new employee starts or something, go to the workspace and add that user, you just add them to the group. And then that group is already shared to all the workspaces that they need access to. So as soon as they're added to the group, they have all the access that they need. Another example of this is it could be by department. It could be by specific role, like perhaps it's IT project managers or business analysts or something of that nature. And again, the major benefit that you'll see here is that you can just, when you're setting up a new user in your Smartsheet account, you can simply add them to the groups they need to be added to. So let's say I'm an IT project manager. When you add me as I was just hired to an organization, you add me with a license or a member status, then you can add me to the all organization group, the IT department group, and the IT project managers group. And then from that, I will now have access, hypothetically, to everything I need access to, as long as those groups are shared to the areas I need access. So it's really an awesome strategy that I think is underutilized based on my experience with clients. And of course, it's really easy to use. So you just create group. I'm just going to do example group. You can type a description, and then you just add members from your account. So myself, oops, it's an old email, Kelly Echo, right? Oops, I think I just messed that up. Example group. And you can just see, I can even just go here. You can type in and search, or I can come down here and add any of the emails that I need to add, and so on. And then I can save my group, create. Oh, you know what? It looks like it was actually added, and maybe I need to do a refresh. Let me refresh. There we go. There's the example group. Awesome. And then you can edit, of course, and then add members to your group at any time. So that would be the process that you go through when you add a new user. You want to add them to all the relevant groups. And just to see how that works over here, right? If I go into my Echo Workspace, you can see Echo Team is shared here. So I can do share, and I can say example group, right? It's going to come up here, and then I can do admin access and just share. So that's how you use group management. Again, I think it's a really underutilized feature within Smartsheets. If you're a system admin, or even if you're not, ask your system admin about it and see where you can create groups to create efficiency in your solution in Smartsheet. Feel free to subscribe to more videos from Echolocity for more tips and tricks for Smartsheet.